Welcome to the inspiring story of Malala Yousafzai, a young girl from Pakistan who stood up against the Taliban for her right to education. Her courage led her to become the youngest ever Nobel Peace Prize laureate. Today, we explore her powerful Nobel Lecture, a call to action for every child's right to learn. Malala began her speech with humility and gratitude. She didn't see the Nobel Peace Prize as just a personal achievement, but as a recognition for all children who are fighting for their education. She stands as the first Pashtun and the first Pakistani to receive this honor, representing the dreams of millions. Malala attributes her strength to her family. Her mother inspired her to be patient and speak the truth, while her father encouraged her to pursue her dreams without limits. This foundation of love and support gave her the courage to face the greatest challenges. In her home in Swat Valley, education was a blessing. Malala recalls the joy of learning, decorating hands with henna during celebrations, and dreaming of a future where girls could excel in any field they chose. For her and her friends, school was a place of discovery and hope. When the Taliban took control of Swat, tourism turned into terrorism, and schools were destroyed. Education went from being a right to being a crime. In the face of such injustice, Malala made a life-changing decision. She refused to be silenced, knowing that her voice was her most powerful weapon. Malala's story is not unique. It is the story of millions of girls worldwide. From Syria to Nigeria, girls face barriers to education due to war, poverty, and social taboos. Malala stands as a representative for all of them, demanding that their voices be heard and their rights respected. Malala challenges world leaders to rethink their priorities. In an age where we can reach the moon, it should be possible to ensure every child has access to quality education. She calls for a world where books are more valued than weapons and schools are built instead of tanks. Malala's journey is a testament to the power of one person to spark global change. Her message is clear. We must work together to ensure that no child is left behind. Let us be the generation that finally ends the cycle of ignorance and injustice, starting today. Malala ends her lecture with a powerful vision of the future. She urges us not to wait for leaders to act, but to take responsibility ourselves. By supporting education, we are investing in a more peaceful and prosperous world for everyone.